subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment or ask a question related to this topic. Hello everyone! Today I'm installing Debian Linux on Android. To start, go to Google Play Store. Search for and install the multivnc application. Also, search for and install the Termux application. The next step is to open the Termux terminal and run the following commands. Command number 1. pkg update. Command number 2. pkg install proot-distro. Command number 3. proot-distro install Debian. Command number 4. proot-distro login Debian. Command number 5. apt update. Command number 6. apt install xfce4. Command number 7. apt install tigervnc-standalone-server. Command number 8. apt install dbus x11. Command number 9. mkdir _vnc. Command number 10. nano _vnc xstartup. Write symbol number exclamation mark /bin-sh start xfce4 ampersand. Press Ctrl+O and Enter to save in Nano. Press Ctrl+X to exit Nano. Command number 11. chmod +X ~vnc/xstartup. Command number 12. VNC server -geometry 1280x720 xstartup xfce4 -session:1. Create a new password. Re-enter the same password. Open the multivnc application and enter the information that is marked. Re-enter the same password created. Excellent! To finish, open the Termux application and run the following command. VNC server -kill:1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Leave a comment or ask a question related to this topic.